A hologram is a great metaphor to illustrate how our universe is interconnected and how separateness is an illusion. A hologram is a three-dimensional image created by recording the interference patterns of light waves. It captures both the amplitude and phase of light, allowing for a complete representation of an object in space. The remarkable property. Every part of a holographic image contains the whole. This means that if you cut a holographic film into smaller pieces, each piece still contains the entire image. Imagine a piece of photographic film that contains a holographic image of a rose. To see the rose, you must shine a laser through the film. The laser reconstructs the three-dimensional image, making it appear as real. When you cut the film in half and shine the laser through each piece, each half still produces a complete rose, just smaller and less detailed. Each fragment of the holographic film contains the entire image. This illustrates that reality is not made up of isolated parts. Instead, every part contains the whole. The essential information needed to reconstruct a 3D render can be distilled into two distinct values: amplitude and wavelength. And, funnily enough, that's where we encounter alpha and omega. But more on that in another video. In a holographic universe, the idea of separateness between objects, people, and experiences is just an illusion. Just as each part of the holographic film contains the entire image, every individual, event, and object is interconnected and part of a greater whole. The instantaneous communication between subatomic particles described in quantum physics is often misunderstood. No actual communication takes place. Instead, every particle in the universe collapses into a cosmic unity. The signal is simply the flip side of the coin. The hologram produces a three-dimensional image that appears real. This is akin to our perception of reality: vivid, tangible, and immersive. Beneath the projected image lies a wave interference pattern that creates the hologram. This is analogous to the underlying field of consciousness and energy that shapes our reality. Understanding this metaphor empowers us to explore the nature of existence, recognize our interconnectedness, and appreciate the deeper dimensions of reality.